What's going on? Welcome back. I'm in the shop today and it is pouring rain right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is pouring. You can probably hear that in the background. Also got the fan going because it's hot out here, man. It's so humid and hot. It's crazy. Anyway, we're gonna get to a little bit more BMX action today. I know a lot of you guys, that's not your cup of tea, so the views are down, to be honest. But that's okay, we've got some car content coming, just bear with me. Without further ado, let me give you a little hint of what we are going to do today. Alright, so as you can see, I've already taken the liberty of changing out the front wheel on my Sting Pro, and I'm going to black mags. They are the Skyway Tuff Wheel or Tuff Wheel II, however you want to say it. I'd have to look at it, double check, but anyway. Yeah, going with the mag wheels. As a kid, man, I always loved the bikes with the mag wheels, and I don't really want to change the other two bikes. Yeah, I got two more bikes. I don't want to change those away from the factory wheels for certain reasons. We'll get to that later on. But this bike, I've got to, basically it's my cheaper bike. Got to practice on, ride on, kind of beat around, relearn some tricks and, you know, basically how to ride on this thing. So I don't have a problem or don't have an issue customizing it. So I did want to do a few things to it to give it the look I always liked when I was a kid. So we're gonna go with mag wheels today. Like I said, I already got the front one done. It's actually done already. And we're gonna move on to the rear. The rear is a little bit more complicated. Because it has the free wheel, it just takes a little bit longer, and so you wanna make sure you get that rear wheel lined up perfectly. So anyway, I do have a new free wheel for it. I've got new brake shoes for it that should, I guess, work better with these wheels. So anyway, stick around. Let me get to it. Let me do all this stuff off camera. And let me bring you back when I've got the finished product on. If there's anything in between, I'll make sure to let you guys know. But here we go. All right, so one thing I wanted to note here is with your free wheel, it threads onto the hub here. And I've seen several videos that suggest using a lube so that it doesn't permanently stick on there, so you can take it off easier later on. So what I use, I don't really have any kind of lube, so I use a little bit of anti-seize on there. That should work, and that should help to keep the free wheel from seizing up on the hub. So here we go, let's keep going. All right, y'all, here we go. Got everything hooked up and the mag wheels installed. Love these wheels, man. It just gives the bike, to me, a little bit more aggressive look than with spokes. That's just me though. But everything went on nicely. Got the new brake pads on there. Those are supposed to give a little more stopping power. I don't know how much of that I'll need, but you know, I don't know. I mean, I might need quite a bit, we'll see, but yeah, it's looking good. And you might notice that the cover for the center pad there is, or the top tube pad, is not there. I'm in the works with something on that as well. But yeah, I'm really digging it. Really digging the look of the bike now. Now I just need to ride it. But it's kind of wet out. So we'll see. See if we can get a ride somehow or other. there we go, man. You got a little ride in. Did stay on the driveway because currently I'm keeping the bikes inside the house, so I want to keep them in a climate controlled environment so that, you know, they don't deteriorate in any kind of accelerated way, because it's hot out, rubber doesn't like heat, it'll end up dry rotting and cracking and stuff like that. So I want to keep the bikes inside, so that's what I'm doing as of right now until I figure out something else. So I did only drive it in the driveway. We'll catch a ride around the yard another day, but I have to say I do like it. I love the look. They are a little bit heavier than the factory spoke wheels, which they're probably roughly, we'll say, about a pound or so heavier per wheel. Not a big deal. Not a big deal for me that, you know, I wouldn't want to do it because of that. Not a big deal. I love the look more than I like the lower amount of weight. So yeah, so that's gonna do it for this one, man. Little simple little things like that to me make the biggest difference. And like I said, I know this is BMX stuff and a lot of guys aren't interested, but we've got some car stuff coming. Stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. So hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we'll see you on the next one.